Hello, this is a video about chain rule. So how do we use chain rule when we differentiate a function? So for example, we have here a function y is equal to the quantity of x cubed plus 3 raised to 5. So how do we get the derivative of this one? So we cannot make use of the simple product rule or the power rule when we are dealing with this problem. So again, we are going to make use of the chain rule. Now, the chain rule states that to get the derivative of this item or this function, we need first to get the derivative of the entire function and need to get and multiply it to the derivative of the inner function. Alright, to understand what I mean by that, so what is the derivative of the entire function? So let's just, using the power rule, we have here 5 and then multiply it by x cubed plus 3 and then 5 minus 1, that is just 4, and then multiply it by the derivative of the inner function. So look at the green one. What is the derivative of x cubed plus 3? That is just equal to 3x squared. So our answer will be the product of this. So this will give us what? This will give us 15x squared. So we have 15x squared and then multiply it by x cubed plus 3 raised to 4. So this will be our final answer for item number 1. Now let's do the same with item number 2. So again, we're going to make use of the chain rule. So get first the derivative of the entire function and do the inner derivative. So let's do that. The outside derivative is just, again, using the power rule, that is just 3. Then we have negative 3x 5 plus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. And multiply it by what is the derivative of this function or this expression. That is just 5 times negative 3, that's negative 15 x to the 4th power so we are going to simplify. What is the product of these two? This is just 3 times negative x negative 15x to the 4th, that is negative 45x to the 4th power times negative 3x to the 5th plus 1 raised to 2. So that will be our answer for this item. Let's do 2 more examples. Number 3. So again, get the derivative of the entire function. So let's do that. We have 3 negative 5x cubed minus 3 raised to 2. Multiply it by this function. We have negative 15x squared. So our answer for number 3 will be negative 45x squared times negative 5x cubed minus 3 squared. Now let's have number 4, the last one. We have 5x squared plus 3 raised to 3 and multiply it by 10x. So this gives you 40x 5x squared plus 3 cubed. That will be your final answer.